Hi everybody, welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we are going to show you how to make an egg sandwich.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we're going to show you how to make an egg sandwich using two vegetables. The first one is mushrooms that has already been sliced and ready to go. The second vegetable is cherry tomatoes that have been sliced and ready to go. Again, you can use any vegetable you want. Some people use onions, cilantro, whatever you want to put into your egg. We're going to be using 2 eggs for the egg sandwich. We're going to be using canola oil, cooking spray, and for our seasoning we're going to be using garlic powder and table spice. I'm going to turn on the stove. I'm going to spray my non-stick pan. Remember not to spray on top of your stove. We always move it away from the stove and spray the pan with the cooking spray. Right now we're just waiting for the pan to heat up. The pan is heated up. We're going to pour the egg onto the pan. I turn the heat down to medium. Then I'm going to put my mushrooms on the top, like that. Be careful not to burn yourself. Some people like to break the yolk. I'm going to try and keep the yolk together, and I'm going to see if I can flip it. We're going to flip it. Oh, we lost the mushroom. We almost made it. Looks pretty good. We can still make a sandwich from it. While the eggs are finishing up, I'm going to put some bread in the toaster so I can have myself a nice egg sandwich. Hi Kira.
Hi Daddy.
What are you doing?
Holding the plate and waiting.
Waiting for what?
The bread to be done.
Waiting for the bread to be done? How many pieces are in there?
2.
2? What's the bread for?
Our sandwich or egg sandwich.
Egg sandwich, okay. Is it almost done?
Almost.
Almost. Got 43 seconds left. I think we can take it out now. What do you think, Naya?
Yep.
Oh, it is done. Hold it up. There you go.
You don't need to use that.
It's not that hot. But it's good to be safe though.
Yeah.
Okay, Kira, the eggs are done. Can I have the plate with the bread, please?
Yes, Daddy.
Thank you. So here's our toast. And we're going to put our egg right there. Yeah, you like it? Oh, thumbs up from Kira. Awesome. How about you, Naya? 2 thumbs up. Good job.
No. Actually, 4 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up. Okay, do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Thank you for watching Sweet Rice Cafe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Thank you everybody for watching. See you next time.
Hi everybody, welcome back.
Ready?
Wait, I forgot. Welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we are going to show you how to make an egg sandwich. Everybody, today we are going to show you